Are you experiencing late alerts from your Escort radar detector? This video addresses a common issue. Escort radar detectors failing to detect radar signals until you're dangerously close. We'll explore why this happens, focusing on sensitivity shortcomings in some models. Common complaints include false negatives in urban areas or varying environments, which can lead to delayed warnings and potential speeding tickets. We will primarily focus on Escort models like the Passport iX, Redline, and Max series, where sensitivity problems have been reported by users in real-world scenarios. To illustrate the problem, here's a simple visualizer showing radar signal strength. Notice how the signal peaks late, representing detection only when dangerously close. Radar detectors work by sensing electromagnetic waves from police radar guns. Sensitivity refers to the minimum signal strength a detector needs to trigger an alert, measured in dBm. Low sensitivity means the detector needs a stronger signal, meaning you must be closer to the radar source to get an alert. This delay can be critical. Key factors influencing sensitivity include antenna placement, battery health, and environmental conditions like rain. Older models or units with outdated firmware may also struggle with K-band detection, commonly used by police with instant-on radar. Escort has released firmware updates for models like the Passport Max 3 and Redline EX to combat late detection. These updates, available via the Escort Live app, use adaptive algorithms that can boost sensitivity by 15 to 20% in real-world tests. User reports indicate these updates reduce too late alerts by up to 30%. Make sure your Escort detector is running the latest firmware to benefit from these improvements. Note the 2025 recall of 50,000 Passport iX units due to a sensor calibration issue. Check if your device was affected. Modern Escort detectors use digital signal processing, or DSP, to analyze incoming signals with incredible precision. DSP breaks down electromagnetic waves into digital components, allowing the detector to identify specific radar frequencies from police guns. AI-assisted filtering works alongside DSP to distinguish legitimate radar signals from false positives. Signals from automatic doors, microwaves, or other sources are filtered out, preventing unnecessary alerts while maintaining high sensitivity for actual threats. These AI-driven models learn from your driving patterns over time. They adjust detection thresholds automatically, becoming more accurate at predicting when you're likely to encounter radar, which can cut late detections significantly. Smart Shield technology takes this further by using GPS data and crowdsourced information from other Escort users. It can preemptively alert you to known radar locations, filling in any sensitivity gaps and providing an extra layer of protection. To get the most out of this technology, make sure Smart Shield is enabled in your Escort detector settings. When software adjustments aren't sufficient, external solutions can enhance your Escort radar detector's performance. Upgrading the antenna is one effective approach to improve signal reception. A better antenna captures radar signals from greater distances. Escort models support various antenna types, and upgrading can extend detection range significantly, as shown by the stronger signal on the oscilloscope. External amplifiers can boost signal strength, helping detect weaker radar sources. However, they must be used cautiously because they can also amplify unwanted noise, leading to more false alarms. Always ensure external components are compatible with your specific Escort model and comply with local laws regarding radar detectors. Proper placement of your radar detector is crucial for optimal performance. Mount it in a clear line of sight, away from metal obstructions, to maximize signal reception. Battery issues can also cause detection problems. Ensure your detector has a fresh battery or reliable power source to maintain consistent sensitivity. Let's examine real-world case studies that demonstrate the impact of sensitivity issues and their solutions. In 2024, a user with an Escort Passport iX experienced detection only at 200 feet from a K-band radar source on I-95, leading to a $150 speeding ticket. Following a firmware update to version 2.5, the same user reported successful detection at 1,000 feet, demonstrating the effectiveness of software fixes. A 2025 field test by Car and Driver magazine showed the Escort Redline EX detecting 95% of instant-on radar signals at 0.75 miles, a significant improvement from the 70% detection rate of its predecessor. In an urban test in New York City, the Redline EX with optimized app settings read late detection alerts by 40%, highlighting the value of proper configuration. In a 2026 pilot program, a trucking company equipped 500 vehicles with Escort Max 3 detectors and reported a 25% reduction in speed-related incidents attributed to better sensitivity in fleet and convoy driving conditions. These real-world examples illustrate how firmware updates and optimized settings can transform radar detector effectiveness, preventing tickets and improving safety. Looking ahead, radar detector technology continues to evolve with exciting developments and important considerations. One major trend is increased integration with smartphones and vehicles, enabling real-time sensitivity adjustments through companion apps. Expect to see more models powered by solar energy, providing sustainable and continuous operation without battery concerns. Keep in mind that radar detectors are not foolproof and cannot guarantee detection of all radar signals. Sensitivity is a trade-off. Overtuning for maximum detection can lead to more false positives and unnecessary alerts. Always prioritize safe and legal driving habits over relying solely on technology. Remember that radar detectors are illegal in some states, such as Virginia and Washington, D.C. Always check local laws and use detectors responsibly.